Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabbir Ahmed and you are watching my channel. Today with me I have this blue box. It is an iPad Air 5. I'm not going to make a review video because I haven't used it yet. But for today I'm just going to make an unboxing video. Bear with me, maybe within 1 month or after I use it for 1 month I'm going to make the review video. And after 6 months maybe an intense review video. So let's open it.
Okay, but I cannot open it. It's really hard. Okay, let me try. Yeah, it's open. So you can see the iPad. Let me open it. I'll just put it aside and show you other things. Here's the paper box with paper things inside. And here is the USB-C cable. It's 1 meter, I guess. Yeah, both sides USB-C, and then the power adapter. I guess it's 20 watt. Maybe you can see, yeah, you can see 20 watt, so it's going to charge the iPad very fast. Okay, let me peel off the paper. I really like the sound of peeling off the paper. Okay, so at the back you can see the smart connector, the logo, the speaker grid, and the fingerprint scanner with power button. At the bottom we have USB-C port and the speaker grid. Here you can see the magnetic connector and the volume buttons, and then you can see the camera. It has 12 megapixel camera with 4K recording power.
Wow, look at this color, beautiful blue. I also have an iPhone 13 mini that is same color, blue, this blue. So yeah, they match. And let's open it. I already set up this and also installed one app, DaVinci Resolve. And because I am going to edit some videos on this and check out how it works, that's why I actually bought this. So here you can see DaVinci Resolve is already installed, and yeah, but you're not going to see anything now because I'm going to make the review video after 1 month. I need to use it, right? I need to use it and find out what is what and what is not. So let's wait for that. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video and also make some comments down below. Anything you liked, anything you disliked, or anything, just anything, that it helps with the YouTube algorithm. That's it. Till next time, be good, be positive. Bye.